Welcome to Med in 5. The goal of our channel is to simplify medical concepts and help you understand them systematically. This episode explores Culex-Borne Flaviviruses, tiny but dangerous viruses that invade the nervous system. Before we start, have a bash at these questions. Which of these viruses contains DNA as its genetic material? Which Culex-Borne Flavivirus may be prevented by vaccination? Which one has a specific antiviral treatment? Let's hop in. Flaviviruses are enveloped, icosahedral, positive-sense single-stranded RNA viruses. Their RNA acts like mRNA, so they can make proteins immediately after entering the host cell, unlike negative-sense RNA viruses, which must first make a complementary strand. These bugs also stay in the cytoplasm for replication. Their lipid envelope makes them fragile outside the body, unlike non-enveloped viruses, which are tougher and survive longer in the environment. Culex-Borne Flaviviruses share envelope proteins that let them attach to cells and invade the nervous system. Their non-structural proteins block interferon and help them evade immune defenses. The three viruses spread in a similar way, through Culex mosquitoes that transmit infection between animals and humans. Japanese Encephalitis virus mainly cycles between pigs and waterbirds via Culex tritanio, while West Nile and St. Louis encephalitis viruses involve C. pipiens, C. fasciatus, and other Culex species, with birds serving as key reservoirs and amplifying hosts. People living or working near mosquito habitats are most at risk. JEV mainly affects unvaccinated individuals in rural Asia and the Western Pacific. WNV and SLEV are seen in the Americas, Africa, Europe, and the Middle East, mostly in older adults and immunocompromised individuals. Infections with these viruses are asymptomatic in most healthy people, but some develop serious illness. They share similar incubation periods. They also have a strong tendency to invade the nervous system. JEV causes the most severe disease, especially in children, progressing from fever and vomiting to seizures, coma, or death. WNV and SLEV generally produce milder illness, but can cause meningitis, encephalitis, or flaccid paralysis in older or immunocompromised individuals. Recovery may be slow, and survivors of severe infection can suffer long-term complications such as seizures, muscle weakness, cognitive decline, or speech difficulties. None of these three is associated with cancer. Symptoms from these infections look like many other conditions, but lab tests can confirm if any of these viruses is responsible. Reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction detects the pathogen early, while antibody tests show recent or past infection. Cerebrospinal fluid analysis, checking cell counts, protein, glucose, opening pressure, and viral markers, can reveal brain infection if there are nerve-related symptoms. There's no specific antiviral treatment for Culex-Borne Flaviviruses. Management is supportive, maintaining airway, hydration, and nutrition, plus controlling seizures or brain swelling if present. Prevention centers on mosquito control and personal protection. Only JEV has a licensed and activated vaccine, effective for residents or travelers in endemic Asian regions. Let's go back to our questions. Which of these viruses contains DNA as its genetic material? Answer: none. All flaviviruses are RNA viruses. Which Culex-Borne Flavivirus may be prevented by vaccination? Answer: JEV. Which one has a specific antiviral treatment? Answer: none. The treatment for all three is supportive only. No errors. Stupendous. If this vid sparked a light bulb moment, like, share, and smash subscribe. Peek at the summary table in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep Med in 5 bookmarked for more quick medical pearls.